All right. Welcome back, traders. This is y'all boy Jay Davari bringing y'all a new video. And in this video, man, I'm basically just gonna be breaking down the trade that I took Monday night. And yeah, I took this trade on the pound futures, and I made about $1,100 on this trade. So I'm gonna break down the strategy and everything in the video. But before we do that, ask you guys please do like the channel, subscribe to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and just feel free to leave a comment down below if you guys want to make some conversation. But we're gonna go ahead and get into my journal right here. You guys can see Monday and Tuesday. I entered in Monday's Asia session, going into Tuesday's London, so that's why I entered. I want to go to my dashboard really quick over here, just to show you guys my funded account that I have with Elite Trader Funding. As you guys can see, we currently made this week we're up $1,100 just off of this one position. So currently that brings my account up to basically $3,300 in profit, right? And currently I'm about $200 of my withdrawal, because I have to have $3,100 as a buffer. So the drawdown of the account, which is a $100,000 account, so I gotta have the drawdown plus $100 as basically a buffer. So now currently right now, if I wanted to withdraw anything for the first couple payouts, it has to be within I have to have a $3,100 buffer at all times until I get like to my third payout. But so that just is what it is. But we're gonna go ahead and just hop into the trade, breaking it down for you guys. You guys can see Monday night 9 p.m. It held it to 4 a.m. Tuesday morning. That's where the trade hit TP. I was basically asleep when it happened. I woke up at like 2, 3 in the morning and saw that it was close to TP. So I just let it ride. And yeah, as you guys can see, I also kind of noted that I was kind of nervous holding it for the full take profit, because like I had just woke up. It was like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. So, I was kind of anxious. But eventually I did just go ahead and just hold it all the way to TP. And like that 4 a.m. candle was the one that just sent it up there. And, we made that $1,100, right? So the trade was roughly a 2R. It was a 2R, a little bit over 1 to 2. But as you guys can see right here, so right here what we have is we have a weekly internal external range move going on the pound for futures. So that external range right here, this is the Sunday open right here. I always mark Sunday's opening price to kind of gauge, like, okay, depending on if there's a basically like a higher time frame point of interest that I have marked out, or that I think that the market can draw towards, I use Sunday's opening price. This is something that I learned from ICT, but I use Sunday's opening price as kind of like, if I want to see higher prices, in this example, I want to see price open below the Sunday open price. And if the narrative is to push for this external range high right here, then I want to see some type of reversal down low or under the Sunday's open price, and then see that reversal and that continuation up to the upside. So I want to see accumulation, the Sunday open price, maybe Monday or so. In Monday's range, we accumulate, form a range, and then we get manipulated outside of that range, which is right here. So right here we had a bit of this large wick right here. And that's basically what I want to see. I want to see a large wick. I want to see a wick under Sunday's open price if I'm looking for a higher time frame high or point of interest to be taken out, right? In this example, right? So we got our wick. So that's the manipulation down into the internal range liquidity. That's kind of happened last week also. So not only did we run back inside of this internal range right here, or basically a fair value gap, a weekly fair value gap, but we also cleared this high, not high, but this low right here. We cleared this low right here, and we tapped into a lower time frame fair value gap, which was a daily fair value gap. So seeing confirmation inside of that area too also gave me the confidence to capitalize on this opportunity Monday night. And as you guys can see right here, over here on the euro, we kind of already did break an internal weekly internal range right here. Well, we still have that Sunday open, right? And the Sunday open right here, we formed that wick underneath, right? But going into this week, GU was definitely the stronger pair. Going into this week, um, right here, as you guys can see, prices we're gonna pound futures reacting inside of a weekly internal range liquidity pool. And let's see. And also, this is that little daily fair value gap right here that I have marked for the that's inside of that internal weekly range. So this daily fair value gap, we had a reaction inside of this level. So right here, we reacted in it, and also too on the euro, there is an internal range move going on inside of there. So price went below here, went below this fair value gap area, and we reversed. And the so the SMT was formed on the 4-hour time frame, right? So I'm gonna go ahead right here. You guys can see inside. You guys can see. So inside of this daily fair value gap, that's right here, is that same daily fair value gap. We had S&T. So between 6:45 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. Going into Monday's range, we actually formed the SMT. So right here, 6:45 on GU. Right here, 6:45 on EU. Right here, we got those corresponding lows. Right now, at these lows, EU formed a lower low. Meanwhile, GU formed a higher low. Right, so that's that SMT divergence right here. Also inside of a balanced price range right here on the 4-hour time frame. You guys can see right here this small little fair value gap. See these two fair value gaps overlapping each other. So you got this fair value gap, and then you got this one. We're gonna I use the smaller one right here, and we like tagged it right on the money, like right by the tick. We tagged that area, and then I started to see like upward momentum going into there from that point. So over here is where I actually entered my position. Right here was a market execution order. Stop went right here, and my take profit was just these highs right here. So I wasn't targeting too high. I wasn't targeting, basically all the way back up to the Sunday's opening price. I just wanted to capitalize on a small little move. I put about 5 contracts on this position. So in total, my risk was about a little over $500. And the take profit over here. So overall, this position was roughly a 1 to 2, a little bit over 1 to 2, because we made $1,100. So 500 times 2 is 1,000. So made a little over that. And yeah, so I just held it to my take profit area, and that's really all that's to it, man. And this is also to show you guys what actually transpired. So this was my entry right here. I just want to target this area, collect $1,000, and as you guys can see, we continue to rally going into Tuesday. Like Tuesday's whole opening range, between London and New York, I'm telling you, it just took off the rest of the day. Like it just took off, right? But back up to that Sunday open area, which is also too, there's like an imbalance right here, or a new week opening gap. So we had a new week opening gap at the Sunday's open also, so it retraced back up into that area. I didn't necessarily want to hold all the way to this move, because of all these gaps right here. Price could have easily reacted. You see it reacted inside of this gap right here, reacted inside of this gap a bit, retraced a bit. It did form another fair value gap and react and head higher, but overall I made $1,100 on just this small little move right here, and I'm not gonna complain about it. It is what it is. But yeah, so just wanted to make a quick little video showing y'all just my process, my trading strategy. It's really nothing to it, right? It's just simple, doing the same thing that I did last week. I made money last week. Also, I made $2,000 last week trading EU, doing the same exact thing, right? Just that Sunday, using that Sunday's open price, wanted to see a reaction or the S&T divergence inside of higher time frame levels between correlated assets. When I see a break in that correlation, I'm looking to trade the stronger one. or be positioned inside of the stronger one, and we just set our take profits and our stop losses accordingly. And it's just nothing to it. It's nothing to it. I did have some losses last week also, but regardless, it's always the same. Right, my process is always the same. I did have a couple losses doing things that wasn't related to my process, but majority of these trades right here, like the gold long, euro short, pound long, euro short. These right here were wins. These trades were wins right here, and these trades were like all just following the same process, right? Meanwhile, this one over here, I kind of did things that I shouldn't have did over here on this one, right? So, yeah. But with that being said, y'all, that's all I'm gonna do for this video. Like I said, I wanted to make a quick little video just showing an $1,100 win. So I'm up $1,100 this week on my funded account, and pretty soon I hope to do a payout video. Right, taking my first payout when I get the 15 trading days under my belt. So yeah, I hope to be able to do a video for that and just finally withdraw from my account and withdraw from my funded account, and just showcase how, like, just focusing on good trading, following your process, and just rinsing and repeating. Just that's how you're gonna make it, man, in the long term. So with that being said, y'all, this is Jay Davari. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. If you stayed this long, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Don't forget, and also feel free to comment down below if you guys want to make some conversation. Let me know if you guys want to share your results for the week or how y'all trading week going. Yeah. But with that being said, also too, almost forgot that the news also kind of gave me more of a confirmation that we're gonna see some bullish price action, which is also why I was earlier in the video that I said to you guys I was kind of nervous. Well, after I seen the news, I kind of like that nervousness kind of went away. I was like, okay, we have positive news for the pound future. So yeah. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate y'all. If you stayed this long, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.